Okay, are you using Buddy AI for your kids? Well, no worries. So if you want your kids to learn English, in this video I'm going to show you a different method where you can just simply help your kids learn them. So let's get right into it. Now first things first, you can just simply do it by just simply playing the app and interacting through its UI. So here on the bottom you should be seeing this night or the moon icon right here. You can just simply select that, and then once you have selected that, here you should be seeing this telescope icon. You can just simply select that. This would help them learn properly through the basics. So as you can see right here, it should give us a level of connecting dots, which should give you letters. So once completed, it should give you rewards and clear out your levels. Next thing is, I'm just going to go to the main menu again, and here you should be seeing on the home this rocket icon. You can just simply select that, and here you should be seeing the levels right here. You can simply clear out each and every level, which should help your kid learn more. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.